Hi guys, this is Ron from G-Ron Vlogs, and today we're going to discuss about our new helmet, the Spider Force modular helmet. So we just got this from Spider store sa SM, and this is actually the first helmet that I purchased, and the second helmet that I owned apart from the one that we got from the Casa. So as you know, we have the Yamaha Fazio, and the colorway of the Fazio that I have is color white, and so we opted to get the white uh, modular helmet, or the model is Force from Spider. So the story goes that we are just passing through and would like to, take a look and shop around, or tawag nga natin is eye shopping or window shopping sa Spider boutique. But then again, one of the attendant there, or the seller or the salesperson, offered an installment policy for the helmet. So since the down payment is not that big, so we opted to get one, and here it is. So when you purchase or have an installment, for that matter, of this helmet, pag bibili ka ng helmet na ito, nakabox siyang ganito, guys. So medyo naulanan kaya medyo natupi-tupi, but yeah, it's nakabox siyang ganyan. And inside the box, okay, what do we get? So of course, we get the helmet inside a bag. So ganito yung color ng bag niya. Okay? So it's not actually a bag, but it's a pouch na meron pang sara. Okay? Let's set that aside. And an extra visor. So this is a clear visor. So tingnan natin, naka-plastic pa siya. So clear visor. So nakalagay dyan Force, and then yung logo niya, or yung logo niya and Spider. Okay? So nandito yung mga specifications niya. So sabi niya rito, I don't know if you see it, it's pin lock. Okay? And then it says here, removable and washable lining. So it means, guys, na yung lining ng ating helmet will be able to be detached from the helmet itself and wash. So pag maamoy na, pwede nyo siyang i-wash. And sabi niya rito, scratch resistant polycarbonate. So yung mga visor niya is scratch resistant. So hindi siya basta nagagasgas, guys. Maganda yon para hindi lumabo. And optical grade visor clarity. So talagang malinaw siya, guys. Yung visor niya is not just a form of plastic, but it's something that is being used for visibility talaga. Oh, so it's not a cover, but it's actually for visibility purposes. Another one is it's 100% UV 400 protection. So from the sun rays, so para hindi ma-hurt yung ating eyes when we are driving, especially during noontime or daylight driving. And lastly, it's dual density EPS liner. I don't know what this is, but anyway, I think it has something to do with the lining inside. But anyways, let's put it back sa plastic. Since di pa naman natin gagamitin yan. Set this aside. And let's get on to the helmet. And by the way, if you're wondering about the price of this, somewhere here, I think not here, sa helmet mismo. So let me see. Here we go. So guys, the price is that it's 4,795. That's the SRP sa mall. So I don't know sa ibang mga branches, but yeah, that's what we get. So first impression, ang ganda niya, guys. It's futuristic. It's not classic, but sa akin okay lang yon. Supposed to be mas maganda kung classic yung ating helmet, dahil classic yung bike natin, but it doesn't matter. what matters for me is that we are protected and ang ganda ng aesthetics niya, di ba? Especially yung colorway niya, white. Okay, sa onset, makikita nyo kaagad yung kanyang vents. So there's the first vent sa sa mouth part niya. And then sa pinakataas, merong vent din dyan, guys. So, yung visor na naka-install is the tinted one. So, i-fill up natin yung kanyang visor. Okay, tanggalin natin yung protective film niya. So, kung ano yung nakalagay kanina doon, yun din yung nakalagay dito. Okay, wow! Ang ganda, guys. Ang ganda ng dating niya, para kang si Bayuman. Ang ganda, no, guys, no? So as we have said, modular siya. Bakit ko pinili yung modular? Kasi it can function ng dalawang klase ng helmet. So sometimes when we drive, lalo kapag mainit, we want yung hangin pumapasok or nadadama natin sa ating muka. So we want half-face helmet. Another one is we want naman yung protection ng full-size helmet. So we opted the modular helmet so it can be converted into two. So this is, as I had said a while ago, this is my first purchase helmet. So bago pa lang ako sa driving industry or sa driving sa pagdadrive ng motorcycle, but I did some study. Maganda talaga yung modular helmet din. Okay? So isang bagay din to, kapag iinom ka, you don't have to remove your helmet altogether kasi kapag full face at hindi siya modular, hindi naaangat ito. So you have to take out all of it and then you can drink. But this guy, you can easily remove or just pull up the lower part and then pwede na. Okay? So sa onset pa lang nagustuhan ko ito yung visor kaagad, guys. Sabi, ito raw visor na ito kahit madilim na, you can still see. So makakakita ka pa rin. So hindi ko pa na-test ito ng gabi. In fact, hindi pa natin na-test ito talaga sa driving. So sa mga reviews pa lang natin ito nakikita. But yeah, I'm hoping for the best, guys, with this kind of helmet. So, kaya hindi pa natin na-test kasi lalagyan ko pa siya ng mount dito for the for the camera. So, ayoko naman yung ginagamit ko sa helmet ko na provided by Dakasa na yung nabili ko na yung may string dito kasi masisira yung, later sasabihin ko sa inyo kung ano yung masisira. So, at the onset, pagka binuksan nyo yung pinaka-visor niya, kaya meron siyang hawakan dito, guys. Pansin nyo, may hawakan. Parang meron siyang nakaangat dito na pwede nyong tuklapin. Kasi, guys, hindi siya madaling itaas basta-basta. Okay? And so, pag bukas mong ganyan, mapapansin mo kagad meron siya ritong parang nose guard or I don't know what this is. But sabi nila, this is for when you breathe at nakasara yung helmet mo, hindi magpa-fog or hindi magpa-fog yung kasi pag malamig sa labas, alam niyo naman pag huminga ka, nalabo yung salamin. Kahit yung normal na salamin nga, nakaganito kang mask. Pag huminga ka, gaganon yung hininga mo doon sa salamin mo, lalabo siya. So it's not really good sa ating visibility. But this one, meron siyang ganito. Okay? And then, makikita niyo rin sa gilid niya may switch diyan. Yung switch na yan actually is for the ang tawag dito secondary visor or the inner visor. Okay, ganda nito, guys. Kahit na nakabukas yung face mo, hindi ka siya. Isa sa pinaka ayaw ko kapag nag-helmet ako is yung tinatamaan ako ng kapag binubuksan ko siyang ganyan, tinatamaan ako ng mga insekto. Kaya gusto ko rin ng helmet pero ang init naman. So kaya tinataas ko yung visor pero pinapasok ako ng insekto. But this is a solution for that. So kahit na may mga maliliit na sometimes mga particles, alam natin tatamaan yung mata mo. So rather than mag eyeglass ka or mag shades ka or ito na lang. Okay naman, it's a little bit tinted then also. So yeah, It's great. Ganda ng dating, guys, di ba? So, balik natin yan. Retractable din yan. Okay, guys. Auto retraction. Okay? So, ito naman yung part na kung saan mo pwedeng tanggalin tong visor. Okay? You can remove that here. So, may instruction naman. And then, ano pa ang features nito? So, yung padding niya, guys, ang ganda. So, removable yan at ang lambot niya. Hindi siya sobrang lambot. Medyo may pagkakonting tough din siya para hindi naman madali siyang lumubog. Tapos, meron siyang chin guard. Okay, para hindi maglalaro-laro yung ano mo, yung antag dito, yung helmet mo sa yung leeg, okay? And this one, ito yung pinaka-switch niya. Close muna natin. Ito yung pinaka-switch niya para mag modular mode ka. So, iangat mo lang, ano mo lang sa ilalim, push mo lang ganyan, tapos you can just open it like that. Ang galing, guys, no? But that's not all, guys. So, dito may makikita kang parang locking mechanism. Pag inangat mo yung pataas, hindi na siya bababa. So, hindi bababa to. Okay? Para hindi siya bigla na lang bababang ganun. Ang galing, guys, di ba? Tapos, pwede mo na rin i-open yung ano ngayon, visor, secondary visor. Okay? Nice. Okay? So, parang magiging tatlong klaseng helmet yan. Merong open na may visor, tapos may close na may visor. Okay? Ang ganda niya, guys, di ba? Yung kanyang quality, matibay. Maganda rin yung kanyang paint job. Yung ventilation, meron ditong spoiler. And then, meron siyang vents, dalawa dito. Itong spoiler niya, built-in na yan. Okay? Maganda, guys. And another thing about this, so, isara muna natin. Baba mo yan. And then, sara. Okay? Another thing about this is, of course, yung kanyang easy deployment at saka easy yung madaling i-detach. So, pasok mo lang ganon. And then, okay, dito lang. Yung tali na yan. Pag pinul mo, tanggal ka agad. Yung iba, ang hirap tanggalin, no? Parang pahirap pa muna. So, tingnan natin kung anong itsura nito kapag nakasuot na. By the way, the size of the helmet na pinili ko is medium. Kasi as you can see, I have small thin head, okay? Tsaka iba pa yung shape ng ulo ko. So, I opted na yung maliit. So, yeah, para kapag, sabi nga nila, kapag tumatagal, itong foam niya nagre-regress, kaya mas maganda yung medyo mahigpit sa una, and then afterwards, ito ay medyo luluwag na sa'yo. Pero sa akin, hindi naman sobrang higpit. Tama-tama lang din. So, I hope hindi naman siya masyado lumuwag naman siya. Okay, anyway. So, how I would like to, since meron siyang option for modularity, so ang way ko naman sa paglalagay nito, para hindi na ako mahirapan dito sa chin ko, especially kung may mga gato ako, o kaya may balaklava ka, hindi masyadong nagugusot. So, i-open mo muna yung chin niya. Okay? I-lock mo para hindi babagsak-bagsak. And then, hawakan mo ganito dito sa yung parang strap niya. Okay? And put it on. Okay? Find the pit. Okay? And pwede mo na i-attach yung kanyang antag dito. Lock. Okay? Okay? Ayos. Okay? So far, so good. Hindi siya natatanggal pag lumilungon. Pagka umuuga, hindi siya natatanggal. So, try natin yung second visor. Ang ganda, guys. Okay. May ano pa nga pala to, film. Dito, tanggalin na rin natin yung film niya. Wait. Oh, tanggalin na natin mamaya. Pagtanggal. Hindi ko makita. Okay. So, try natin na ibaba. Okay? So, dito, baba mo itong lock niya. Dito. And then, you can bring it down. Okay, guys. What do you think? Okay? So, maganda naman siya, guys, di ba? Kaya lang, para ako talaga si Bayo man. Okay? Nice. Di ba? So, habang nagdadrive ka, kulay puti. Okay. So, open. Pwede mo rin i-open yung visor. Okay. Kung gusto mo talaga yung air pumasok pero protected ka pa rin. So, ang ganda niyan guys. Nice. Okay. So, balik natin. Dito yung lock niya. Ano yan? Ito yung nahihipo natin. Ay, iyan muna natin to. Okay. Ay, dito pala. Yan. Okay. So, buksan natin ito. Ulit. Okay. Lock. Lock natin. Tapos, tatanggalin na natin yung strap niya. So, hanapin nyo lang dito sa left side yung tali na yan. Yung tali nito. Okay. Pull that. Tanggal na kagad. Effortless. Okay. Tapos, pwede nyo nang tanggalin to. Okay. Ganun lang kadali guys. So, tanggalin nga natin yung yung secondary visor. Meron siyang parang protective film. Okay, tanggalin natin. Ayan. Nice guys. So, siguro pagka nag-vlog tayo guys, hindi nyo pa makikita ito agad-agad yung itim muna. Kasi I have to put the mount pa. Order pa lang kami. So, yeah. Plano ko yung GRX kasi ayaw ko yung nakapasok dito kasi nga, sabi ko nga sa inyo, masisira yung chin guard niya. Okay? So, I don't want that. Okay? Alright. So, yeah, that's it. Kung meron kayong mga questions, guys, feel free na i-voice out yan dito sa ating comment section para ma-answer natin. Okay? Para masagot natin. So, hindi siya mabigat, guys. Hindi siya ganun kabigatan. So, alam niyo naman yung tatak ng Spider, guys, di ba? Matibay yan, guys. Spider. Okay. So, anyway, guys, ang tag dito, kung meron kayong mga gustong i-suggest pa na mga helmet na pwede natin reviewin, so kapag meron tayong pagkakataon na manghiram or may sponsor, so we'll try to review it. But as far as I know, itong helmet na to, it's really good for me. So, yeah. So, what do you think, guys? Kayo ang mag sa ating comment section. Okay? So, what do you think? Is it really good for a first time rider also or a long time rider? So, is it good? Okay? All right. Okay ba? Okay, once again, don't forget to subscribe, okay, and to like this video if you like these kinds of videos. Marami pa akong videos dyan, guys. So, take a look around. And then also, huwag niyong kalimutang i-hit yung notification bell kasi marami pa tayong mga reviews and mga travel vlogs, okay? Once again, this is Ron from G-Ron Vlogs. Bye-bye!